with a black shirt. I knew Bob Creephead had something to do with it. I knew it. Yeah, baby. Having a blast making this play. Yeah! Yes! Back.
Oh, that's cool. How cool is that?